some legumes. So you're about to be surprised on what you're about to see on the south side of Chicago. So it starts off kind of looking like a regular backyard. Nothing too surprising or shocking. But as we get in here, yeah, we are in Chicago, and that is a chicken. And you can see over there, we got another one. So this isn't your typical backyard of a house in the south side of Chicago. We have Brother Randy. He told me to be careful where I walk because, of course, with these, no telling what I'll be exposed to. So they're all over the place. You know, here's a car, but of course, in the garage, there's no longer cars in the garage. And you should be very thankful that there's no smell-o-vision right now. So Brother Randy, can you kind of tell us what's going on right now?
So right now it's still cold here in Chicago for about another 5 weeks, and I have to start my seedling. So if you come this way, this was my winter chicken coop. My name is Brother Randy. I've been urban farming now going on 4 years. I received my training through Will Allen's program, Growing Power, here in Chicago, which their headquarters is in Milwaukee. They are no longer called Growing Power, they're called Urban Growers Collective. Well, I was inspired to take on this training. I went to Chicago State University, and I heard the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan speak on agriculture. He was speaking on how we're going to need more farmers for our nation in order to build a nation. And he was speaking on the current age of farmers. But what he showed me, what really stood out to me, was he put up a picture of a cow. And he put up all the different parts of the cow and what you get from that. And I remember thinking in the back of my head, I was like, oh wow, I want to get a few cows. I used to have chickens when I was younger, and so I was used to raising chickens. So one day, I went to a Tractor Supply and they had baby chicks. So I went and bought those baby chicks, about 16 of them. And that's pretty much where it started. Yes.